Hey, this is Nicole with Kingdom Money Sense. I am so excited today to share with you just a milestone in my own personal infinite banking journey. So, we received in the mail yesterday something just that has us elated. And I want to share with you how we used our infinite banking policies to do it. So what I'm talking about here is we have moved our outside debt of our home mortgage to inside debt using our policies. So we have been doing this now as a family for 3.5 years. Our family system of policies consists of 4 policies so far, with adding more soon. But what we were able to do first was take my husband's truck payment. We moved it from outside debt to inside debt, and we got that paid off 4 months faster using the exact same payment. So we said it worked so well with the truck, we decided to try to expand our system that we could incorporate paying off our mortgage payment. So, does it mean the debt is no longer there? No, that's not what this means. It just means we now control it. We control how fast it gets paid off, and we control the payments. So if we need to skip payments, nobody knows, but us. We don't get sent a letter, hey, you didn't make a payment. The insurance company, it's secured by the death benefit. I don't want to get too much in the weeds about how it all works. Just know that we are so excited because it does work. So what I'm going to show you is first the release of lien that we have here, which is exciting. And then this was our original mortgage docs. And you can see it's stamped paid in full. So now we have the freedom to make the kind of payments we want to make back when we want to make them back, and we now control the process. Another great thing is now we have full title and deed to our property. So who knows that we owe that money against our policies, that we've used our equity? Nobody knows. It doesn't come up on our credit reports. If we were to want to go get a loan for our property, the bank does not know anything about our own private business. We are keeping our financial matters private using our infinite banking policies and that structure. So I just wanted to share with y'all real quick how excited I was on that. And that kind of brings me to another topic I wanted to talk about really fast, because I was meeting with a client and they had been looking into HELOCs. If you know what a HELOC is, I'm kind of talking to my real estate investor people out there. It's a home equity line of credit. And so they were saying, well, we've really been looking into this. And I said, well, let me show you the power of the infinite banking process and how much more you could benefit. So like a HELOC, you're using the equity that you have built up in your policies to borrow against. It works very much the same. Now, where it differs is a HELOC, when you go into contract with a bank or institution that issues those loans, there is a massive paperwork process. You still have to qualify in some sense. They want to know you can pay the money back. They determine what the repayment amount is. They reap the benefits of your interest payment. Now, what would happen in the instance of you using a HELOC as opposed to using an infinite banking system of policies to do real estate investing or whatever you like? We're just going to talk about real estate investing for the purposes of this video. So the difference is the death benefit. Now, when we're talking about the banking process, sometimes we just don't talk about the death benefit portion of what you get when you have an infinite banking policy or system of policies that you're implementing. So there is the death benefit. If anything were to happen to you, your beneficiaries, your family, your wife, your children, they do get a benefit from that passing. And it has been known, statistics say 100 out of 100 people are going to what I call graduate from this earth. So it's inevitable, and I know it's a hard topic to speak about. But you do have that death benefit just in case anything were to happen. Also with a HELOC, you use the money once and it's pretty much, you've used it. When you have an infinite banking policy contract, then you can use that money again and again and again. There's not a paperwork process. If the equity is there in your policy, you simply request it. And they only ask you one question. Would you like me to send you a check, or would you like it direct deposited into your account? And so the process is so far easier. The interest you are paying, and there is some interest that you will pay when you borrow against the equity in your policies, goes back to the company, which you are part owner of. So, who would you rather be in business with? Would you rather be in business with the banks, or would you rather be in business with an entity that you are part owner of? That would be like owning the local grocery store but doing all your shopping down at the Walmart. You wouldn't do that, and yet people do. So if this has piqued your interest and you want more information or to schedule a meeting with me, go to the website, click on the schedule an appointment. It will ask you a couple of questions and we'll get something scheduled. So here at Kingdom Money Sense, we're building our wealth on the rock and not the sand.